The log icon on your sidebar is where you can view your outgoing, incoming, and missed calls. You can use the buttons at the top of the log to view all call logs, missed calls log, or your inbox, which is your voicemail box. When you are looking at the log entries, you can right-click and select Copy Number. This will create a copy of the number, which makes it easy to paste straight into the phone field of a contact. When you select a log entry, you can click on the Call Using Reach desktop icon to phone the caller back. If the caller is not in your contacts, you can click on the Create Contact button to add them as a contact. Or if they are a contact, you can change their contact state. Please see the Add Contact training segment for more information on this. You can select the Delete icon on a specific call to delete that entry. When you click Delete, you will receive a pop-up window warning you that the log entry will be permanently deleted. If you would like to continue and delete, noting this cannot be recovered, select the Yes button. The Delete icon at the right-hand side of the log will allow you to delete all the call log entries. When you press the Delete button, you will receive a pop-up window warning you that the log will be permanently deleted. If you would like to continue and delete all the log entries, noting this cannot be recovered, select the Yes button.